Ready.
Your number is 85878, na?
Yes, sir. 878.
Yeah, good. Unnati Singh, your interview is going to be in which place on which date?
Sir, my interview is in Delhi, Karol Bagh, and it's on 16th of March.
Very good. What is your basic degree?
Sir, my basic degree is M.Com.
Good. What do you understand by balance sheet?
Sir, balance sheet basically shows the financial position of a company. On the left side, it shows the total liabilities of the company, and on the right side, it shows the various types of assets company hold during their financial period. And there are many things in the balance sheet like current liabilities, long-term liabilities, capital, and in asset there is many type of assets like current assets, fixed assets, and that's it.
Good. That is good. Very nice. So, what do you
Yes, sir.
understand by depreciation?
Depreciation is a type of expense for an organization. When an organization purchases any kind of fixed assets, it thinks that its value will be decreasing at every year. They shows in the book of account because when they are going to sell this, when they are going to sell the machinery or any kind of fixed asset, its value is not as same as when we purchase it. So
What is
sorry,
goodwill? What is goodwill?
so, so
What
goodwill
is goodwill?
is the reputation of a company that company earned during their lifetime or the working of the during their working period. Yes.
Yeah. What is meant by trial balance?
So trial balance shows the various kinds of assets and liabilities. It is basically prepared after the various ledger accounts to tally the account liabilities and assets are equal or not.
Actually,
If there is,
you should not call them liabilities and assets. You should call them as
okay,
debit balances and credit balances.
okay, sir.
See, the debit balances and credit balances are taken
Credit
from a
balance.
ledger, and then
Yes,
tally
sir.
is made. It should tally. If it is not tallying, there are some arithmetical errors, and we have to find that one. Good.
Yes, sir.
More or
Okay.
less okay. More or less okay. Fine. I'm happy. Now, please tell me, what is the subject you like very much in MCOM?
So during the MCOM, I like the organizational behavior and management subject.
What is organizational behavior?
So in this, we study about the employees and the hierarchical level in the organization and how can we motivate our employees and how can we pay them and what steps an organization to uh, what kind of steps an organization take to grow their business and the about the management also.
How will you motivate others?
So, firstly, we have to find about their needs, and we have also checked which kind of about their position also. If a person is a low-level employee, its basic need will be food, shelter, and if a person at a higher level of position, we can motivate them by giving extra bonus and HRA and car facilities and these kind of things.
Good. Now, how will you motivate yourself?
So I motivate myself that I want to be a successful in life. So I always try to motivate that I want to get a better job in banking sector. So on this aim, I after getting realized that I would be success or I want to be success, so I get little bit, so I get motivated myself.
Describe your personality.
Sir, I am a good listener. I can easily, I'm a fast learner also, and I can handle pressurized situations. very well, and I am a self-motivated person also, and I love to do various kind of activities like playing, cooking, watching movies, and all.
But tell us about your family.
So I live in a nuclear family. There are four members in my family. Firstly, my father, who is doing a private job in finance sector, and my mother is housewife, and my brother is doing the MCA from IP University, Delhi.
Good. What is banking?
So banking is basically plays an important role in the development and growth of our country. It provides financial assistance to our country, and through banking, we can uh, inject or absorb the uh, liquidity in the market also. And it is a platform where people can transfer money and accept grants and take loans also,
No,
and
but
save their money. And yes, sir.
This much explanation is not required for banking. I must have told you in the
Okay.
classes, banking means accepting deposits from public and making advances. That's all. Next
Okay.
question will be what are the other activities they do, para banking activities like canvassing of insurance policies, mutual fund products, issuing of guarantees, giving lockers, then accepting remittances. Like that, you should tell. Don't,
Okay, sir.
if you cover everything in one question, then what else they will ask? That is the thing. And
Okay.
in
Yes,
the
sir.
process of you are telling more things, you are not able to explain properly also.
Okay, sir.
That is the thing. Okay, now tell me
Yes,
what
sir.
is banking?
So banking is basically accepting deposit and granting loans to their customer, and
Sufficient.
banking is also
Sufficient.
a
Sufficient.
okay.
No, no. This much is sufficient for the first question. Next, they will
Okay.
ask you what are the other services banks do.
Banking provides many kind of other services in para banking, like it provides mutual fund, investing in capital fund, and provide local facilities also.
Mhm. Mm, yeah, good.
Yes.
Now, can you please tell me something about some points that you have in mind regarding what is a recurring deposit?
What is recurring deposits? RD, basically it calls RD, which is a term deposit. It is as its name is a recurring deposit, so we can easily understand that it happens at every fixed time of intervals. We have to deposit a fixed amount after a fixed time of interval to the bank, and after get it get for a fixed period of time. So
Yeah, 1 minute.
yes.
Yeah. No, no, but recurring deposit, can you not tell some more points? You are not told clearly. Can you try again?
Mhm. So, okay, sir. Recurring deposit is basically a deposit in which a customer has to pay a fixed amount after a fixed period of time to any financial institution or bank, and bank can provide a specific rate of interest to their customer on the maturity of the RD, and it can be we can do RD for 3 months and for 5 years also.
Wrong. See, the
And the
mistake,
rate of
no,
interest.
no. The mistakes you did was number one, recurring deposit is a scheme whereby a recurring deposit is open for a minimum period of 6 months, maximum period of 10 years. A fixed
Okay,
amount is paid every month, not periodically. Every month. At the end of the fixed deposit, recurring deposit period, the interest is paid along, principal is paid along with the interest.
Okay, sir.
Good. That is good. Very nice. So why banks are making advances? Why should bank gives loan?
Sir, bank for the uh, bank give loans for their growth and for their smooth functioning of for their smooth functioning, because if bank give loans, they gain interest on that on them, and they can uh, easily function their other activities also, like providing saving interest on saving accounts. So bank have to give loans to their customers.
The answer can be still more clearer in that banks have to make loans in order to get interest, which will be
Yes,
used for making payment of interest on deposits and also to manage other overhead expenses like rent on buildings, then salaries of people, etc. Could you follow?
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, did you go through the website of South Indian Bank?
Yes, sir.
What did you see in that? What is more interesting to you in that?
Sir, I see there. Sir, I see that it is the first bank in Kerala who becomes scheduled bank in the RBI Act, according to RBI Act, and it works for many corporative social responsibilities also, like they they provide scholarship for in area of sports and academics, and they help the
What is,
cancer
what is your
patients
father?
also.
What is your father?
So, so my father is working in finance sector, private job.
Private job.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What this answer is not correct. You must tell properly. What is he?
Sir, he is working in private sector.
Mm, so you must tell my father is working as accountant or as manager, as clerk,
Okay, sir.
as
So we
foreman,
have to mention the
as
position
supervisor.
also.
Yeah. See,
Okay,
without
sir.
telling that, how do you think the answer is complete?
Okay, sir.
If I ask you your name, you say Singh. Is that the answer?
No, sir.
Yeah. So you must answer it completely. Good. Very good. You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Delhi.
Delhi. Yeah. Um, Delhi. Delhi. Which part of Delhi are you living?
Sir, I live in East Delhi.
Pardon? Which part?
Sir, East Delhi.
Acha. So can you tell me something about the metro trains?
Sir, yes, metro plays an important role as it becomes, sir, important, not an important role, but it become an important part of Delhi people's life, because most of the people travel, or almost everyone travel with the Delhi metro, and it is more convenient as it start early and it shut down at around 11. So people manage their daily
Acha.
life
Do
and
you do you have the old type of buses that used to run in the year 1990s and all that? I used to see
no,
some
sir.
green bus,
Yes, sir.
some red bus, and all
Sir, there is three type of
broke,
buses in Delhi.
broken,
First
broken
one,
bus, broken buses. Are they running even nowadays with full
no,
capacity?
sir.
People used to sit on the top of the buses and travel. वो सब आज भी चलता
No,
है
sir.
ऐसा? नहीं.
No, sir. No, sir.
Do you have private bus service in Delhi now, or yes or no?
Sir, in some areas for short distance, there is a private service buses.
Some mini buses, na?
Yes, sir.
They do run. Acha, acha, acha. Very good. That's right. Good. Now, can you name a few of the ministers in your Delhi cabinet?
Yes, sir. First one is Arvind Kejriwal, Shri Arvind Kejriwal, which is our chief minister. And second is Mr. Gopal Rai, who is also our cabinet minister. And third one is our newly appointed MLA, Ms. Atishi. And another newly appointed cabinet minister is also there, who is Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj. And
Yeah, okay. Please tell me how many South Indian Bank branches are there in Delhi? Any idea?
sir, yes, sir, around 106 branches of South Indian Bank are present in Delhi.
How many branches?
106. 106.
Are you sure? 106?
Sir, I check it on Google, so it shows 106.
106 in Delhi alone.
Yes, sir, I checked it on Google yesterday.
Oh, I am really surprised because even Indian Bank doesn't have that many branches.
Sir, Google shows it, sir, 106 branches. Sir, again,
Mhm.
check it.
Mm,
Sir, not sure.
You're not
मुझे
right.
भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लग रहा
See,
था.
even Indian Bank has got about 10 or 15 branches only. South Indian Bank, I'm sure, will not be having that many branches. They have one in Karol Bagh, then Punjabi Bagh, then Tilak Nagar, east of Kailash, Dwarka, something like that. So I'm not sure. If
Yes,
you
sir.
don't know, you say I don't know. That's better.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mm, yeah, doesn't matter. No problem. What is the total number of branches in Delhi?
Sir, Delhi, I'm not sure about it.
Sorry. Total number of branches in India.
Sir, India, it's around 928.
Yeah, you see, when I ask for Delhi branches details, it is telling
Yes,
only
sir.
9 branches. Only that many branches. Vasant Kunj.
Sir, if we
uh,
said 9, it will be okay, na?
No. See, on the face of it, you find only 9 or 10. Malaviya Nagar,
Okay,
Chittaranjan Park, east of Kailash, Gurgaon, Sector 3, Dwarka, Sector 3, New Delhi, Dwarka, New Delhi, Gurgaon, Sector 31, Rajouri Garden, New Delhi, then Vasant Kunj, like that. So you can say roughly around 10 branches.
okay, sir.
Good. What is SIB mirror?
SIB Mirror.
Hmm.
Sir, SIB Mirror is to be most preferred bank in the area of customer service, stakeholder, and corporate governance.
No, but this is not the answer. What is SIB mirror means? It is a um, mobile app, na?
Okay, sir. Sorry, I didn't know about it.
You go through the website of our South Indian Bank, you will know that. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
What are the different purposes for which banks give loans?
Sir, bank gave loans for various purposes like home loan, car loan, education loan, and for short-term loans also, and
Good.
for business purpose loans are there,
Mm,
and agricultural loans are also there, housing
mm,
loans are also there. Yes,
Good,
sir.
very good. Then, yeah, very nice. What is meant by debit card and credit card?
Sir, debit card and credit card is a plastic money that we use in place of the actual money. So, debit card, we make the payments according to our bank balance, and credit card is a facility in which bank provide us a limit for uh, for the expenses, and we have to pay this amount after a fixed period of time, like after a
Expand,
month.
expand UPI.
expand UPI. UPI is a unified payment system of India. It is a
No, no,
system
no,
that
no.
allows
Hello,
the
hello, hello. Wrong, wrong. Unified Payment
yes,
Interface.
sorry, sir, interface, unified payment interface system
Expand
with
CBS.
CBS. Mm, sorry, sir, I didn't know about
Core Banking
CBS.
Solution.
Core banking solution. Okay.
Core Banking Solution. What expand CTS?
CTS, check truncation system.
Very good. Thank you. So,
Yes, sir.
how keen are you in joining South Indian Bank?
Sir, I am very excited to join the South Indian Bank as I always wanted to be a job in banking sector. So yes, I
Will you be,
want to join.
will you be resigning from South Indian Bank if you get public sector bank?
Sir, if I get a public sector bank, sir, I'm confused. What should I say?
You should tell for the sake of interview. No, sir, I
Yes,
will
sir.
continue to work here only. I will not be applying for public sector banks.
Okay, sir.
Good. Best wishes. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
You did well.
Thank you, sir.
Attend the interview with confidence and
Yes,
send
sir.
me the list of questions. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next person to come will be 78478. Whose number is 78478, please? Megana or Suman or Samsung? 78478. Megana, what is your number?
Sir, I am Suman sir. My number is
Yeah, Suman, tell me. What is your number?
sir. My
78478
number is 889743 sir.
88974. Yeah,
8897 sir.
97. Agreed. What is the phone number of Megana? Not now. I think for you, a given time later. What about Samsung? Samsung, what is your number? As
Sir,
for
I am
you,
Meghana. My number is 125584.
no, one. Don't tell full number. What is the full number, please? Five numbers.
Last 1255, sir.
Correct. For you, I have given time at 8:30 only, not now. But there is one more
Yes, sir.
candidate to come. He has not come. I will go with Mr. Suman now. Mr. Suman,
Oh,
Yes sir.
I think there is one more person in between you, but doesn't matter. I will go with you. Suman, your number starts with 88974. Yeah. Suman,
889743 sir.
yeah. Now, which interview are you appearing?
Hello.
Which interview are you appearing, please?
Sir, South Indian Bank sir.
That's a 1 minute.
South Indian